Hi, I'm Helen, and I'm the crochet designer behind the Country Cottage CAL. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to join your patches. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Patches will be joined using slip stitches worked through the back loops only. Before beginning, use the layout chart to lay all patches in position. Take 2 patches and lay them side by side. Insert the hook into the back loop of the corner chain 1 of the patch on the right and pull through a loop of white yarn. Insert your hook into the back loop of the corner chain 1 of the patch on the left and pull through a loop. Pull through the loop on the hook to create a slip stitch. Insert your hook through the back loop of the next stitch on the right patch, followed by the next stitch on the left patch. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Continue working back loop only slip stitches to the end before moving on to join the next set of patches.